My name is Daryl Edwards. I am the proud superintendent of Goshen Local Schools. So we're here today to talk to you a little bit about our school-based health center and the opening of it coming up next week. First of all, one of the questions that I always am asked is why a school-based health center? We've done a lot of research, and the research shows that students who are healthy, students who attend school where there is access to a school-based health center have better attendance. Better attendance equals better academic achievement. When students are here for a higher percentage of time, they learn more. Not all students have access to a primary care provider, and it provides an ease of access to a primary care provider if they would so like that. Also provides ease of access for parents. If parents are across town, child goes down to the clinic, has what the nurse suspects is an ear infection, and the parent can't come across town to be able to take their student back or pick their student up and take them to their primary care physician, they could have access to our school-based health center and get the medicine they need. Therefore, they don't miss a significant amount of time. And it goes back to the ease of access. Our students will have access to physical clinics for our sports and our student athletes. We have 3 of those dates that are coming this summer to provide ease of access and getting your physical for your sports and your activities. Of course, no student will be seen without parental permission, and HealthSource has worked with the district to provide a very safe and secure entrance at the back of Mark Cook where the public will not be mixing with our student population and will not have access to the school building. To learn more about the School-Based Health Center, I'd like to now introduce you to Chelsea Hornsby of HealthSource of Ohio, who will be leading you on any virtual tour of the School-Based Health Center.
Welcome to HealthSource of Ohio Goshen. I am Chelsea and I'm so excited to show you our newest location. I first want to show you Warrior Way. So HealthSource of Ohio, we are located in the rear of the Mark Cook Elementary. And as you enter Warrior Way, this is the parking lot in which you will park in to be a patient if you're coming from the community. Let's go ahead and go inside and take a look at our facility. Let's go. As you enter the facility, you will notice that there are 2 cameras that are very important as far as security when we are partnering with a local school district. So one camera is up above, the other camera is pointed directly at the patient's face that's entering. There's also a sound system that is outside. So the medical receptionist that's sitting at the front desk is going to ask the person that's at the front door that pushed the button to be let in if they're there for an appointment, and also their name. So if they're not there for an appointment, HealthSource of Ohio will not allow them to have access into the healthcare center. Let's go ahead and go inside. This is our waiting area. This is also where the medical receptionist will be come Monday, April the 24th, when we start seeing patients. HealthSource of Ohio is open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., and we are open year-round. So even when your kiddos are on spring break or maybe it's summertime, HealthSource of Ohio will be here to care for you and your family. I also want to point out that this door, it leads out to Mark Cook Elementary. Again, I want to point out that there is a camera system here in our lobby area, as well as a badge system that goes into the Mark Cook Elementary. If somebody is exiting this area, the medical receptionist has to buzz that student out or buzz that student in. Welcome to our area where our medical assistants and our clinician will be sitting. To the left here is where our medical receptionist will be. We are staffed with 3 employees, one of which is a nurse practitioner, one is a medical assistant and a medical receptionist, and the other is a medical assistant that'll be working directly with the nurse practitioner. This center is equipped with 3 exam rooms. Let's take a look at one of the exam rooms. And keep in mind, we are opening on April the 24th, so you might notice there's still some spackle that is happening and painting that is being done on the walls. We're getting ready to see all these amazing patients. So just like your typical doctor's office, HealthSource of Ohio has transformed this area to be utilized for patient care. Again, 3 exam rooms exist here. Each exam room looks just alike. So this is exam room 2 and then exam room 3 as well. We also have a lab area. All right, let's go ahead and head back up front. As an aunt of local kiddos here within the district, I want you to know that every kiddo that HealthSource of Ohio sees has to have a consent. HealthSource of Ohio will not treat a kid, we will not see a kid if we do not have a consent from a parent or a legal guardian. And the process still works. Our health aides and our health nurses are so important, and they are a vital part of our community and also to HealthSource of Ohio. So if your kiddo is sitting in class, not feeling well, maybe it's strep throat, we all know that's going around right now, the teacher alerts the health clinic nurse or the aide, and your kiddo would still go there. At that point, the health clinic aide will also be able to know if your kiddo has a permission packet on file. If the parent or if the nurse calls you and says, hey, HealthSource of Ohio can see your kiddo today, do you want them to be seen? You say yes. Again, that is it. Also a phone call. So you are always alerted and you're always aware of when your kiddo is going to be here within the HealthSource of Ohio office. After your kiddo is either transported or walks down from Mark Hook Elementary to be seen by a nurse practitioner, she will then call you as soon as she gets out of the room and let you know kind of the findings from that visit. At that point, the kiddo will return to class. No kiddo is ever discharged from HealthSource of Ohio. They always go back to their home school. At HealthSource of Ohio, we accept all major insurances. And we are open again Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. And make sure you follow the number on the screen to schedule your appointment. We can be utilized for an urgent care for kiddos and also for educators here within the school. For everyone else, you do need to be a HealthSource of Ohio patient. So if you are a patient at HealthSource of Ohio at another location, we welcome you as a patient here to transfer your care. I'd like to invite you to participate in our ribbon cutting and open house celebration on Thursday, May the 4th from 4:30 to 6 p.m. It's going to be complete with a nacho bar and a nacho average school-based health center. This is your opportunity to join other community members to tour the center. If that date and time does not work for you, please be sure to reach out to us on the HealthSource of Ohio Facebook page and request a private date and time for your own private tour.
If you'd like more information on our school-based healthcare center, we have a health and safety tab on our school webpage at GoshenLocalSchools.org, where you can access forms and more information and how to get your child access to our school-based healthcare center.